We're looking at partial variation. Partial variation involves the use of two constants. You can choose any two letters of your choice as constants. The word partly represents a constant in partial variation. Without wasting time, let's look at number one. X is partly constant. X is partly constant. This is written as x is equals to a. I introduced the first constant. X is partly constant. You put a constant of your choice. I have chosen a as one of them. And the word and is a plus. And then the sentence continues and says partly varies as y. I will introduce another second constant. In this case, I will introduce a k. And this k will be attached to the letter y. So I have ky now. So this is read as x is partly constant. And, which is a plus. The word and is represented by a plus. Partly varies as y. We introduce another constant k to make it ky. This is how it is written. And this is how you introduce the two constants. Without wasting time, let's work out our first part, which says find the relationship between x and y. We substitute our first values. When y is 2, x is 30. We substitute these values into this formula here. X is 30 is equals to a plus, in place of y, we write a 2. 2 times k, we have 2k. This is our first equation. The second part, we use these values. When y is 6, x is 50. Our second equation, in place of x, we write 50. Is equals to a plus y is 6. 6 times k, 6k, which is our second equation. Take note, equation 2 has higher values. There's a 50 versus a 30 there, a 6k versus a 2k. So it's always wise to say equation 2 less equation 1 in order to solve these two simultaneous equations, and so that we don't end up using numbers with negative signs. So 50 less 30, we get 20, is equals to a minus a, that's 0. 6k minus 2k, we get 4k. Let's solve for k. We divide both sides by a 4. So this is a 5. 20 divided by 4, that's 5, is equals to k. Our k is equals to 5. We find the value of a. We can pick any equation of our choice. I will take the first one, which is 30 is equals to a plus 2k. So in place of k, I'll write a 5. 30 is equals to a plus 2 multiplied by 5. So we end up having 30 is equals to a plus 2 times 5, that's a 10. In order to solve for a, we subtract 10 from both sides. 30 minus 10 is equals to a. 20 is equals to a. Another way of writing a is equals to what? 20. So the relationship, if whenever you're asked of the relationship, it simply means find the value of the constants. So substitute our constants in our original equation, which is x is equals to a plus ky. X is equals to a is now 20, so we have 20 plus k is 5, so this will be 5y. This is our relationship formula, or the formula connecting x and y. We are done. Part B of the question says find x when y is 3. We make use of the same equation. X is equals to 20 plus 5y. X is equals to 20 plus, in place of y, we write a 3, because we are given a y as a 3. So x is equals to 20 plus 5 times 3 plus 15. So our x will be 20 plus 15 plus 35. This is our answer. We are done. Can you try number 2, 3, and 4 on your own? Thank you very much. Have a good day.